She's got an RV and a tank half full.